Breadies, what do you call a dinosaur that's a noisy sleeper? A Tyrannosaurus Rex. Ah, you can tell your friends that one at school. They'll love it. Okay, Breadies, for this episode, I'm gonna do a Tyrannosaurus Rex, but a baby one, and we're gonna surprise Weston with it. So follow along at home. Here are a few drawings I've done of different dinosaurs that we're gonna do a bred baby dinosaur collection to. So today, we're gonna focus on this T-Rex. All right, so grab something to draw with, a piece of paper, and follow along, Brady. It's gonna be so much fun. All right, Brady, so we're gonna do our Tyrannosaurus Rex baby edition. It's gonna be so much fun. So we're gonna put our dinosaur right here in the center. We're gonna start off with a cute little T-Rex head, okay? So we're just gonna go about the top half of your paper and you're just gonna do a nice little bump. Whoop, like that. All right, easy little bump. Then you're gonna come down and straighten out towards the side of your paper and come back, like that. It's a baby, so they got a little top head and a big mouth for the baby. And then we're gonna do a smile, because it's a baby T-Rex. Nice little line, Breadies. And then round teeth for our T-Rex since he's a baby. Whoop. And boom, like two little half circles. And if I'm going too fast, Breadies, remember you can just rewind. All right, let's do our eye, Breadies. We're gonna do a big oversized eye because that's how we do it. Let's go. Whee! Nice circle. Always want to practice our circles. And then if you follow along, you know what I do, Breadies. I'm gonna do a big circle and then a small circle. So big circle and a small circle. And then let's color it in black. Oh, that looks really good, Breadies. Now we need to do our T-Rex body, right? So we're just gonna go down like a little wave into the tail, okay, Breadies? So let's go down a little, whoop, then up for his back, just a little, and then we're gonna go down into the tail. Nice. All right, and then T-Rexes have a big tail, so we're gonna take this back under. Ready, Breadies? Whoop. Oh, it's looking so good. All right, Breadies. Now we're gonna do this part of his body. And he's a T-Rex, so he has a big, strong neck. So we're just gonna go kind of in towards his neck and then in down just a little like this, Brady, right? Curve it down and then a straight line. Curve and then down a little. Can you do that? Oh, our T-Rex, our Tyrannosaurus Rex is looking really good, Breadies. Okay, let's do his little arm. So everyone knows T-Rexes have little arms, so we're just gonna go out to about here, just a little bit. Whoop. A line like that. And then we're just gonna curve it down for his claws. Ready? A little curve like that. Nice and easy, Breadies. Next, we're just gonna do 3 claws. Real simple little triangles. So we're gonna go up, whoop, and then another triangle, down and up, and then the last one, down and up. You got that, Breadies? Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna go up a little for his wrist and then curve it back down to his body. So a little curve up and then down to his body, just like that. Good job, Breadies. And remember, if it's not perfect, we're just practicing and making sure we're having fun. Now, we're gonna take his neck here and kind of give him a little belly, like a little 3D effect belly. So we're just gonna go here and go down. Good job. All right, buddies, let's keep it going. We're gonna copy this arm here, and we're gonna do this exact line over on this side to make it look like it's his other arm. And we're pretty much gonna do the exact same thing and then just stop a little short. Ready? And then stop. Perfect. And then all we're gonna do is take that up. Back into the other hand. Oh, it looks so good, buddies. Just rewind if I'm going a little too fast for you guys. And remember, let's just focus on having fun and practicing. All right, buddies, next step, we're gonna take this arm down to the beginning of his big, strong T-Rex leg. So we're just gonna go down a little. Ready? And you kind of want to make that like it's gonna match this tail over here. Perfect. Same thing with this belly line here. We're gonna bring it down to about right there because we're gonna have his leg. Okay, ready, buddies? Imagine that line coming and starting right here. Whoop. Oh, that looks so good. Perfect. All right, buddies, for our Tyrannosaurus Rex, let's start here at this first line, and we're just gonna do a big, strong T-Rex leg. It's gonna kind of curve out and then in down towards his foot. Ready, buddies? Let's do that. Can you do that at home? I bet you yours is looking so good. And I'm just gonna connect my belly here because I didn't match it perfect, no big deal. All right, buddies, now we're gonna go over here and we're gonna have the same thing, but we're gonna curve out and in here for the back of his leg. All right, and we're gonna take it down a little further because it's gonna be the back of his foot, and then this will be where his foot is. Okay, buddies? Ready? Here we go. Curve out a little, then in for the back of his leg, down to the foot. Look at that. Perfect. All right, buddies, we're almost done with our baby Tyrannosaurus Rex. Next, we're gonna do the top of the foot, which is just gonna be a little curve here. Easy, ready? Boop. And then we're gonna meet it over here, same thing, curve the other way, and then we're gonna give 3 claws for toes. Ready? Little curve. So good, buddies. All right, so now we're gonna do 3 toes or claws. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's looking so good, buddies. 1, 2, 3 claws. All right, and what are we missing? His other foot, right? So we're gonna do this exact same thing, but we're just gonna do a little shorter version over here to show that he's got his other leg. So simple, guys. All we're gonna do, start like mid-lower belly right here, and we'll just do a curved line again. Ready? Can you do that? Same thing we did over here. We gotta give it a back part of his leg. So we'll go right about the belly where it meets the other leg, and we'll do another curve in. Ready? Perfect. And again, look, we just gotta make it just like this one, but a little smaller because it's a little further away from us. So let's do that. Let's do another curve for the top. Nice and easy little curve there. And then same as this side, go under, little curve, boom. All right, ready? This is looking so good. And then what do we gotta do? 3 claws, right? Simple. 1, 2, 3. 3 claws. Perfect. All right, Breddies. Now we're gonna take this belly here and we're gonna connect it up to his tail. Ready? Start about mid-leg, right about here, and just connect it there. Ready, Breddies? Oh, looks so good. All right, Breddies, let's finish strong on our Tyrannosaurus Rex with some T-Rex stripes. Let's do 3 big stripes. Let's do a smaller one here. Down, curve line to a point, and then go back up. Boom, looking good. We'll do another one, the biggest one in the middle. And let's do one more, Breddies. Nice. That looks so good, Breddies. It's the best part. Time to color. And remember, if you want to do your own style, I love it. Give it some spots, maybe some stripes on the belly. Whatever you want to do to make it your own. All right, Breddies, I'm gonna fast forward this part while I color it in, and I can't wait to surprise Weston with it. And you guys can see him too. All right, let's get coloring. All right, Breddies, what do you think? I got it done. It's in his favorite color, yellow. Let's go surprise him with our Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh, he's gonna love it. It looks so good. Check it out. Weston, I got a surprise for you. I drew you something very special. Go sit on the couch. I'll give it to you. Go sit on the couch.
Thank you, Car.
What do you think, dude? I drew that for you. What do you think, bro?
It's a giant yellow T-Rex.
It's a T-Rex. What color is it?
Yeah.
It's your favorite color. Tell the Breddies, hi.
I'm ready.
Do you like it? All right, show it to him.
Now,
Whoa, you want to draw one?
and genitals.
T-Rex.
All right, Breddies, we hope you had fun drawing a Tyrannosaurus Rex. We'll see you next time. We're gonna draw a